Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to 2230, the channel that keeps you informed about the latest happenings in Asia. Today, we delve into a rather disconcerting incident involving privacy violation and the misuse of intimate content. In a recent case that came to light on December 22, 2023, a man named Lim Junjie found himself entangled in legal troubles after he was arrested for reselling intimate images of an influencer he purchased for a mere 15 Singapore dollars on Telegram. The court sentenced him to 9 months in jail after he pleaded guilty to intentionally distributing these sensitive materials without the victim's consent. Now, let's dissect the details of this case. Lim, an active participant in Telegram groups notorious for trading and selling explicit content, purchased the victim's images from a user named Alvin for a paltry sum of 15 Singapore dollars. His motive, as claimed, was to raise funds for his school fees. However, the prosecution argued for a 9 to 10 months imprisonment, asserting the severity of the offense. Lim's defense, on the other hand, sought a more lenient sentence of 5 months, contending that the materials were shared with individuals not acquainted with the victim and were not widely disseminated. The defense also emphasized that only some of the media showed the victim fully naked, asserting that Lim acted without malice and for a relatively benign cause, financial constraints related to his education. The judge, however, didn't fully buy into the defense's narrative. The court found that Lim acted out of self-interest and for financial gain, challenging the notion that he was in dire financial distress. The judge highlighted the lack of evidence regarding Lim's financial situation, his current means of paying for school, and whether alternative avenues like part-time work were explored. Crucially, the judge pointed out that Lim, being an active participant in the Telegram groups, should have known that the victim did not consent to the distribution of her intimate content. Lim's premeditated decision to carry out the transactions anonymously through Telegram further heightened the need for specific deterrence. The court also considered the considerable harm caused to the victim. The judge noted that it was highly foreseeable to Lim that his buyers would circulate the media, especially given the victim's status as a public figure. The influencer, depicted in various states of undress, faced the risk of her private content being further disseminated, potentially causing irreparable damage to her personal and professional life. Despite being a first-time offender, Lim was sentenced to 9 months in jail. It's important to highlight that Lim has filed an appeal against his sentence, and the legal proceedings are ongoing. Now, let's open the floor for your thoughts. What's your take on this case? Do you believe the sentence was just, or should there have been more leniency considering Lim's claimed motive? Drop your comments below, like this video if you found the information valuable, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to 2230 for more in-depth discussions on pressing issues in the Asian region. Until next time, stay informed.